I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the Mac and signing into an Apple ID. This ties Mail, Contacts, and iCloud Drive to your laptop. Once signed in, enable iCloud and choose what to sync so files and settings stay consistent across devices. Make sure to set up Time Machine right away and connect an external drive. Backups prevent data loss. If asked, enable File Vault for disk encryption to protect your files. These initial steps get you secure, backed up, and ready to install apps. Next, dive into system settings to tailor the dock, control center, and notification behavior so the interface works for you. Changing these reduces friction. Install essential apps from the App Store and grant permissions for camera, mic, and location when prompted. This keeps privacy tight while enabling functionality. Fine-tune trackpad gestures and keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow, and set energy saver preferences to balance battery life versus performance. To finish, schedule regular maintenance. Enable automatic software updates and check them weekly so security patches install promptly. Monitor storage with storage management and close apps in Activity Monitor to free RAM and disk space. Offload large files to iCloud or an external drive. Make sure File Vault and Find My are active for security and recovery. If things go wrong, boot into safe mode first. If unresponsive, reset SMC/PRAM and only then reinstall Mac OS to avoid data loss. One troubleshooting tip: backup before fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.